This 2021 Keystone Passport 292BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, spare tire kit, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, oven, stovetop burner, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Passport 292BH is 5,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.